Well, hello. I recently decided to sell my handmade products, such as my glass cups that you see in my shorts feed, as well as the keychains and all that good stuff. I feel as though my stand could look a little better. I saw these really cute acrylic tabletop business signs. Of course, I thought that I could DIY it myself, you know what I mean? Here are some examples, I'll have it on the screen, of what I saw, and they just look so aesthetically pleasing to me, I had to do it. I bought this frame from Target. It was only $5. I was going to get an acrylic tabletop stand at Michael's that I saw, but that thing was like $15, $16, and $9 on sale. But it was way smaller than this. I can just get a frame and then make my sign. Plus, there's more room to put my Instagram handle, my TikTok, and the little Venmo scan me. I took the backing off the frame and this is what it looks like. This is the brush that I have to use today. And I also have these acrylic paints. These are really old. I've had them in my closet for like years now, so I don't know if they're still good. I just took all the shades of pink that I could find. I'll have to go over this with a couple of layers of paint. Try this a bit faster. There's like hair on it. Oh my God. Now that the paint is dry, get this white paper. Oh frick. Anyways, I got paint on this, but this came with the frame. I'll just face the white down and put back side on here. Here's how it came out. I like that there are brush strokes on the side of the frame. And I really like the glossy look. Moving on to the front of the acrylic sign, I'm using my Cricut Joy to cut out my permanent vinyl. I think I want to use a metallic shimmery kind of permanent vinyl for my text and all of my socials. The SVG file I'm using with all the social media logos can be found on Etsy. They have a lot available and it's only $1 or less, probably less than $1. I think it's totally worth it if you want to do this yourself. I have this vinyl pack that has all different kinds of colors. They also have the metallic ones that I want to use. There's a rose gold one right here, as you can see. But you can see the reflection. This brand is the Oracle 651. It's my favorite brand as of right now. If you want the same set that I got, it's from Amazon. I'll have that link below as well. In my opinion, this is perfect for beginners because there's so many colors you can use and you don't have to spend like $10 for just one color of a roll. So if you're just starting out with Cricut, I definitely recommend these value packs. I just spent the last hour and a half designing this. I designed this first time and then my design space froze. And I didn't save it, which was on my part, but it froze, so I had to force quit and all of that stuff was gone. And this is the second one I made. Finished cutting them out with my Cricut. Next step is to weed them, which is my favorite step because I think it's so satisfying. Here are all my vinyl pieces cut out and laid out on my frame. I did this to make sure that I have enough room for everything I want to put on here, that it will look good and it's not crammed. Now I can continue to transfer everything onto here. Cleaning this off with alcohol will help it stay longer. Hope I don't mess this up. Look how cute that looks. Ta-da! This is how it came out. I do think I like the white lettering better than the black. The black is more bold. I just think the white one looks way cuter with the pink and the gold. All that's left to do is just erase the back of that pink and then put my QR code there and we're done.